I'll be giving you idea of prices for water closet set. So that's 6,760. The water closet, wash basin, soap holder, paper holder, and its plumbing kit. So that's the set you're looking at for 6,760. Now we go to the second one. The price is 5,130, but you got the water closet, the wash basin, but it's got no pedestal, the soap holder, the toilet paper holder. So that's for 5,130. This one is for 6,690 for the set. So you got the water closet, the wash basin, soap holder, the the water faucet, and the paper holder. Of course, the plumbing thing just for the until the connection of the water closet. This one is 7,450. And this is the set. The top's better. I mean the water faucet. The plumbing fixtures is better. This is this includes the water faucet, the drainage cover, soap holder, this one, and the toilet. This set is 8,360. So you can see that the basin is hand wash basin is different. That's still a cool brand, cool bath system there is. And that's the set for 8,360. This one is 11,150. We got the hand wash basin without the pedestal, squarish type of toilet with a silent cover, and plumbing fixtures, soap holder, and the paper holder. This one is $14,190 for the set. You can see that the water basin is different, the sink and the pedestal, and the toilet is also differently shaped, squarish one. This one is 14,053. Water closet, basin with pedestal, soap holder, paper holder, and the plumbing pictures. The basin is different, it's bigger. The soap holder is made of glass. Paper holder is this is the set for 14,053. This is the water closet, got a pedestal. This is the toilet set. Glass soap holder, aluminum or chrome paper holder. Just have is the water basin, the toilet set for 6,399. This one is 9,199. It's got the toilet set, the pedestal lavatory, the tap, soap holder, and paper holder.